guess by knowing these activities and response and this fulfillment, we are not too much clear about that. Because sometimes we are become sick or some hurt in my body. So at that time some sensation or pain sensation is coming. So at that time, if you realize that this is my body's part, it's not my self part. So injuries happen in the body, but we are so afraid like that due to the body injury. So why this confusion is not? When I get it, understand clearly that this is the body part. Whatever my role, we have to pay for the role, not to worry about that unnecessary. That is not easy task.
Yeah, it is not an easy task because you have been having this assumption or preconditioning for a very long time that you are the body. This interesting example that when you fall sick, you have fear of death, right? That is troubling you. Huh? Okay. Now ask yourself, who has the fear of death? The self or the body? Self. Good. And who is going to die? The body, right? But because this distinction between the self and body is not there in the self is afraid of dying, which is not going to die. It is the body which is going to die. Right? But because I presume that I am the body, therefore I am afraid of death.
One is fear and there is pain. What is the pain?
Yeah, pain means there is some sensation in the body which is an indicator of some disorganization, some disharmony in the body. So that is an useful information. So when I feel pain somewhere, I know that there is some problem in the body, and therefore I must do something to rectify it. So that is the meaning of pain. So if I have the right understanding of the self and the body, then any pain in the body, I will read it as an information to indicate that there is some disorganization, some disharmony in that part of the body, and therefore I need to do something about it, right? So if mosquito is biting, I feel a pain, right? And I know that there is something wrong, then I can notice that mosquito is sitting there and biting, so I can remove that mosquito, right? So this sensation of pain is useful to get the indication that there is something wrong in that part of the body and something has to be done, so I do that. But if I start crying and shouting, right, without doing anything to rectify, will it help?
That is not issue. I am asking about that. Suppose I have some cut, some injuries happen. So definitely the sensation will come. It will take time to recover from there. But during that we are afraid. We are परेशान होते हैं.
Yeah, so you are very restless and unhappy.
Unhappy,
yes.
Restless. So we know that it will take time.
You don't know that. You don't know that.
Knowing is updating something.
What is happening is that this is what I am saying, that you have so many different set of preconditionings and different set of assumptions in you. Okay. So at one level you know that this body is different and it will take time for the body to recover and so on, right? On the other hand, you also think that the pain must not be there, it should be immediately removed. Yeah. So if you know that there is a cut and it will take some 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 1 hour or 10 days to heal, then where is the problem? The pain, the information of pain is not making you unhappy. if you have the right understanding, okay, of the self and the body, and then you can see that yes, it is the body which is in problem and this problem is being indicated by the sensation, therefore I must do something and I have done what I have to do, and body will take 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 10 days to recover. So, fine, in the meantime if the sensation comes, I take note of the sensation, I also know that I have taken care of it. So, I will give time to the body to recover, I will not get involved into it. If I have clarity about self and body, if I do not have the clarity about self and body and if I think I am the body, then any problem in the body becomes the problem in the self.